So now let's see how we can work around with the image gradient inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the image gradient, you need to first go around onto filters right here, and over here you can see that you can go around onto as detect, and over here you can see that image gradient is an option. Once you go around onto image gradient, then you can see that it detects out the edges right here and then draws out a line art around over here. And that's it. You can go around over here and then utilize the different blending modes as you like right here. Like you can go around and lighten right here. You can go around and multiply and get the color effect that you want. You can also go around and work around with the opacity effect right here to get the effect that you want. If I were to go to replace, then you can see that you see the lines as you like right here. You can also see the before and after right here, just like this. And if you were to work around with the split view, you can see the before and after right here, just like this. So if you're happy with what you see right here, you can go around and apply it by pressing OK, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the image gradient inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.